What are these? Underwears?
You might look at these underwears and think,
Okay, granny underwear, not for my market.
and that's exactly why most buyers will never get access to the best supply chain in China. Because they only see the product, they don't see the system behind it. I mean, as a sourcing agent, I see something completely different. I see the same basic logic behind Skims style shapewear. Not because this factory has around like 100 Italian Santoni seamless machines, cost around like $100,000 each. I mean, many factories in China have the machines, the yards and the workers, and 24/7 like production efficiencies, etc. But they don't always have the taste, the Western DTC taste. They may use those powerful machines to make products that look old-fashioned and ugly because that's what their existing customers ask for. But if you bring them the right samples, the right color palette, the right fabric fillings, they can make almost the same. For example, the Skim, the shapewear underwear costs you around like $40 online, but here in this factory, they almost the same one costs around only $2. And this is where the opportunity is. China does not lack of manufacturing power. What most buyers lack is the ability to explain exactly what they want in factory language. Wait. But if you are a beginner and trying to build your own underwear brand, here is where you can get destroyed, the wristband. Most people think customization means choosing fabric and printing a logo. Wrong. In seamless underwear, the body can be knitted very efficiently by the machine only. But the moment you want a separate branded waistband, like a printed waistband, a jacquard logo waistband, or a custom elastic band, you enter another supply chain. In this case, the factory may need to source the elastics separately and customize the pattern, match the color, test the stretch, and then sew it back onto the underwear body. And that is why the MOQ can suddenly jump high. In other words, the underwear body is not the hard part, your branding detail is. So if you're starting small, don't act like a giant brand on day first. I would highly recommend to use the factory's existing high-quality seamless blank like stocks or their current design to test your market first. And then, when you have the real sale, upgrade to custom waistband, custom yarn blend, and fully customized shape structures. Oh, and one more thing. Underwear touches the body, so cheap is not enough. Whether the material is actually safe for skin contact, all requires certificate, etc., right? And this factory I visited has export experience, so they can export all these kind of requirements. Just check with them or just ask me. And fun fact, they even make a skin-like underwear for pregnant women. Okay, now, so the real question is not, can Chinese factory make it? Most of the time, yes, they can. The real question is, can you explain your product clearly enough? Can you match your market, your fabric, your function, your MOQ, your compliance needs, and your brand position with the right factory? Okay, back to the point. If you are building an underwear or shapewear brand, DM me. I can help you check what this factory already has in stock and what can be customized with a lower MOQ and how to start small without making expensive beginner mistakes. And don't forget to follow Luna for more real sourcing logic from inside Chinese factories.